All right, so here's another big project we got waiting here at Amplified Garage. I've got 8 if you count another full Tesla battery pack I haven't taken apart yet, but I've got 4 of these modules out from a 2018 Tesla Model 3 long range, and haven't had much luck trying to sell them. Have had a lot of people ask about them. People want to use them for solar, people wanting to buy them, but I just can't get anybody to actually buy them. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a video on stripping this battery apart and harvesting the 900 to 1,000 or so cells that are in this thing. A lot of people have made videos where they show parts of this, but no one has made a video yet on the entire start to finish process, which, you know, I've not done it before, so this could be interesting. All right, stay tuned.